Good morning. So we've got a lovely Turbo S in with us here at TTW Installations that we've been working on. Just been adding the latest Genevo Pro2 to this vehicle. We've got quite a lot of videos now on our YouTube channel about this product and installed in various cars. Things are changing here in the UK, on the UK roads. There's a lot more different camera types coming on the UK roads, so it's a great time to consider upgrading to the most advanced sort of camera systems, just to make sure you don't get caught unaware of certain cameras. So the Genevo Pro2 is our flagship product. It's a laser, radar and GPS product. This is the installed version that we fitted in this particular one, so it's a lot more discreet. The radar is fitted externally. It's a high quality radar. It's got a lot more filtering on it. The main bands here are radar, red flex and multi-radar now for the new SR cameras and the motorway cameras, which tends to be ideal for. Obviously, if you do drive into Europe, then there's even more frequencies it will detect. And then we've also got our exclusive Trinity database, which is we offer on all the UK Genevo systems here. So I'll just quickly show you the laser head that we've attached underneath here, and the radar head. If you have a laser track flare, then that can be then hidden away. But on this particular car, the customer just wants the Genevo Pro2M. And then I'll just show you inside where we've actually installed the unit. So on this particular one, we've installed the unit right up at the top, which you can see just here. So there's no visible wires. It's got a detachable screen. There's many settings which we have a video on our YouTube about the actual product and how it works, and obviously with the others. And as I said, we can link this to the laser track flare as well, so you can get all the alerts and settings through on the display. And then we also do the target blue eye if you want a further device for unmarked emergency vehicles. So yes, that's it fitted in there in a Porsche Turbo S. If you'd like any more information as regards to the Genevo range, then please get in touch.